Hello everyone, welcome to Wordy Tales. In today's story, we will explore an important life lesson about making your money work for you through passive income. As you listen, you will also learn some new English words and how to use them in sentences. This makes learning English both useful and enjoyable. So let's begin and stay with us till the end. Once upon a time, in a lively village, there lived a young man named Ryan. Ryan was 25 years old and worked at a local grocery store. He had been working there for 5 years and over time had grown from a simple store clerk to a respectable position. For the past 3 years, Ryan had been saving money regularly. However, he felt that his savings were increasing very slowly. Ryan began to think about how he could make his money grow faster instead of waiting year after year. Since his store job took up most of his time, he knew he couldn't manage a second job. One day, on his day off, Ryan decided to seek advice from Mr. Dinya, a wealthy man who lived in a nearby village. Mr. Dinya was famous for owning many assets and businesses that earned him money with little effort. Ryan believed he was the right person to learn from. When Ryan arrived at Mr. Dinya's house, he found him relaxing under a large shady tree near his fields, enjoying a cup of coffee. Despite being wealthy, Mr. Dinya did not appear busy. His money and assets worked for him exactly what Ryan wanted to understand. After greeting each other, Ryan shared his goal of learning how to make money work for him. Mr. Dinya smiled and said, "You're thinking wisely. It's never too early to learn about passive income," he continued. "Passive income doesn't always require large investments or buying gold. With the right mindset, even a small amount of money can work for you. If you can manage just 1 million rupiah wisely, imagine what you could do with more." Ryan felt excited and listened carefully. Mr. Dinya explained, "The first step is simple. You need money. Save from your earnings, but avoid taking loans for investment when you are just starting. It's safer to work hard and save little by little." Ryan nodded and asked, "Yes, sir. What should I do after saving some money?" Mr. Dinya chuckled softly and said, "Slow down, Ryan. The second step is learning to control your spending. Don't rush to buy expensive phones, cars, or houses unless they are truly necessary." He added, "Luxury items lose value quickly and cost money to maintain, especially when your income is limited. Instead, use that money to build passive income." Ryan felt relieved. He realized that spending everything now would leave him with nothing later. Mr. Dinya then said, "Now comes the third step, the most interesting one. You must look for passive income opportunities. Observe your surroundings. Use the internet and social media. Opportunities are everywhere, even with small capital." As they walked through the village, Mr. Dinya pointed around and said, "Look at Rudy's house. He started a small Wi-Fi service with less than 500,000 rupiah. Nearby, someone else began raising chickens with a similar amount." Ryan was surprised. "I never noticed these opportunities before," he said. Mr. Dinya replied, "That's why you must open your mind. No matter how small the beginning, opportunities exist." They returned to the tree and Mr. Dinya continued, "The fourth step is taking action. Once you find an opportunity, don't wait too long. Start small, learn as you go, and accept challenges when they come." Ryan felt thankful for the advice. Mr. Dinya then explained the fifth step. As your passive income starts generating profit, reinvest it. Grow your business slowly, just like Rudy expanded his Wi-Fi service. Ryan asked eagerly, "What comes next, sir?" "The sixth step," Mr. Dinya said, "is diversification. Don't depend on only one income source. Once your first income stream is stable, start another. This reduces risk and increases earnings." He added, "And remember, it's okay to enjoy your success. Just don't spend more than 50% of your profits." Ryan smiled and agreed. Finally, Mr. Dinya shared the seventh step. Be patient, stay consistent, keep learning and adapting. Passive income takes time. Many people fail because they stop learning or give up too soon. With that, Mr. Dinya ended his lesson. Ryan left feeling confident and inspired. He knew that by following these 7 steps, he could begin his own passive income journey and slowly grow his wealth. After sharing a meal with Mr. Dinya's family, Ryan said goodbye, excited to start this new chapter of his life. New words from the story. Passive income, money earned with little ongoing effort. Example, renting property can provide passive income. Asset, something valuable that brings future benefit. Example, land is a valuable asset. Allocate, to set aside for a purpose. Example, she allocated money for investment. Savings money kept for future use. Example, he used his savings wisely. Consistent, done regularly, without stopping. Example, Consistent practice improves skills. Capital, money used to start or grow a business. Example, she needed capital to expand her shop. Adaptation, adjusting to new situations. Example, adaptation is important in business. Today, we learned new English words through this story. Remember, learning English becomes easier when you practice regularly. To improve faster, listen again and repeat each sentence. Don't forget to like, comment, and share how this story helped you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next story, where we continue learning together.